Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
To all. Good morning to all.
Ma'am, have you sent
morning,
the
ma'am.
PPT which you taught yesterday?
What are you saying? Repeat again, beta.
Ma'am, have you sent the PPT that you taught yesterday?
No, I'll send today. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry. Dhani, I admitted earlier also. What happened, Dhani? Nivedita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me finish prime factorization. Then I'll send you. Today we'll do prime factorization, and with the help of prime factorization, HCF also.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaitanya has joined. Chaitanya? Is Chaitanya here?
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Chaitanya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Ashwin, I allowed you earlier also. What happened? There so many times. I can see 41 participants. So Virat Sachdeva is here. Virat Sachdeva. Is Virat Sachdeva here?
Yes, ma'am.
Virat 44. Okay. Then Ronak is not here. Preeti Mehti is not here. Harjap has, I think, left the school, no? Harjap.
Ma'am, yes, he left the group.
Ma'am, 26 Kabir is here.
Kabir, why don't you join with your name? Dharvi. Dharvi. I'm just talking about it.
Ma'am, yes.
Don't disturb me. I'm just talking about absentees right now. Dharvi is here. Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
Divansh. Divansh Babbar. Is he here? Divansh Babbar.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Then only Aditya. There is one Aditya without any surname. Aditya is not here. Roll number 2. I cannot see Aditya, roll number 2.
Ma'am, he is not in this class.
He is not in this class. I'll take the
Ma'am, he is
next.
not present in this class.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. And are you not aware with the rules? I'll start removing the children who will not follow the rules. And then don't cry, ma'am, why have you removed me? I'll start removing the children who will not follow the rules. I'm just giving you 1 second. I'm removing otherwise. Vihan, Harshit, Virat, Chaitanya, I'm just removing you all those who have not kept their videos on. I'm going to remove you all. Aditya, Yuvraj, Rehan Baba. I'll just remove you people. You'll not come to know. You'll not come to know. Keep on writing in WhatsApp messages. I'll not allow you to enter in my class. Kabir, you want a separate message? Yes, Tasmia, bolo beta. Tasmia.
Ma'am, have you posted that slide in Google Classroom?
No, today I'll post. Let me finish little bit. Yesterday we did not do much. Let me finish little bit more, then we will post. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought you have posted and there was my side network connection.
Okay. Are you all able to see the PPT?
Ma'am, yes.
मैम यस कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम था इसलिए मैम मैं जल्दी नहीं आ पाया.
Yes, we are continuing with chapter number 3 only. We started yesterday. We are in continuation, and the topic everybody knows, prime factorization. We are doing now. Why Kabir was out. Now, in this module today, we are going to learn again, practice prime factorization. We are also going to revise what we did yesterday, factor tree method of prime factorization, and then also by division method. Let's see. All of you, I hope everybody is ready with copy and pencil. I'm just trying to recapitulate yesterday's one of the points, that in prime factorization, composite number is expressed as product of prime factors. Like we did 24. There are two methods of doing it. Factor tree method, I showed you this example 910, and second was short division method like this. We divided 910 by 2 first. We got 455. Then by 5 we got 91. Then by 7 we got 13. Keep in mind these numbers 2, 5, 7, they need to be only prime numbers. That's why we call it prime factorization. The word prime factorization means this, that we have to divide only by prime numbers. Did you all write this question 910? Show it by thumb or just... Virat, didn't you write this yesterday? You all wrote? Yes, very good. Ekam is showing me good.
I wrote it.
Now, 32 also we did. We did 32 also. If you have not done 32, you can do. We will keep on factorizing until we get all the prime factors. Like here, in the last, I have got 2, 2, 2. We have to circle the last. In the last, we have to encircle in factor tree the prime factors. So these, and in the last, we have to express 32 as the product of prime factors. Like here, I had to write this point 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the answer of the question, that express 32 as a product of its prime factors. This is the answer. I hope till here everybody had copied, everybody has written. Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do the new question now. Using short division method, we just form a box kind of thing. Then we divide. Like here, I have shown division by 2 first. Suppose I am dividing 20 and factorizing 20. I'll divide by 2 first. Then I get 10. I will again divide by 2. I get 5, then I'll keep on dividing until unless I get 1. So factorize, but don't write 1 in the factorization, because the question is for prime factorization. Prime factorization, copy down this part. Factorization of 20. Prime factorization of 20. Write the question as prime factorization of 20. I can see everybody is writing. Prime factorization of 20.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, we have to write these steps also.
No steps required. Steps are just for making you understand.
So after writing prime factorization of 20, what we have to write?
You have to write this table to this one. Can you see a mouse?
Ma'am, yes.
I'm rotating
Ma'am,
mouse.
only this table only.
This table and the last line given in red. This is called
Okay,
prime
ma'am.
factorization.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashwin Prakash, should I remove you?
I'm done.
Why
Ma'am,
are you
your
fighting
voice
with
is
it? Aditya Arora, should I remove you? Now, once more you touch this video option, I'll remove the child. Only once more anybody touches the option of video, I'll remove. Ayan, Aradhana, Harshit, Aditya. I will not hear from anybody's side now. Why have you removed us?
Ma'am, there is some net issue, so I cannot on my video.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Aradhana.
Beta, you were told it before vacations. In June also, teachers called you to tell your parents that please buy a good kind of network. There should not be any kind of a network issue which shows that you cannot see. Your video cannot be on. There is not at all any kind of case.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
it is because of network issue at your place.
Ma'am, your voice is not breaking.
Boy, this is what I am saying. It is because of network issue at some places. Now, should I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
You just had to copy this much. 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. Then expression comes out 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Next, let's practice few more. Find out this prime factorization of 45. Start doing, children. Let me see how many of you can do.
Or factor tree method.
No, by prime factorization. By prime factorization. By prime factorization.
I'm done.
Very good. Who has done?
Ma'am, Devansh.
Devansh.
Ma'am, Dharvi. Ma'am, yes.
Dharvi. Dharvi, show your work. Show your work.
Ma'am, done.
Show your work.
Ma'am, wait, I'm showing. Kabir is also done.
Ma'am,
I have also done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have
Kabir.
done. Can I show my work?
Show your work, Ekam. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, Devansh.
Let me see. Now let's check our answer. Let's all check our answer. When we divided by 5, we got 9. Then we divided by 3, we got 3. Then we again divided by 3, we got 1. So the answer is going to be 45 is equal to 5
5 multiplied by 3.
into 3. Or you can say 3
Ma'am,
into
correct.
3 into 5. There will
Correct.
be 3 factors. There will be 3 factors.
Of 45.
There will be 3 factors.
Of 45.
Yes. Now, let's do few more questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Now start factorizing 27. Start factorizing 27. Gunjan, I am removing you. Arshit, Ashwin, Aditya. I am removing these children.
Ma'am, I've done.
Virat, tell me your answer.
Ma'am, 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3.
Very good. Let's all check our work.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Yes. We got 27 is equal to 3
done.
into
3
3
multiplied by
into
3
3.
multiplied by 3.
Answer is 3 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, correct. Correct.
See, classwork to be finished in class only, so that you can do practice something extra at home. Don't keep
Ma'am, will
on.
we do more?
Yes, we'll do more. Many more. Now we are going to start with HCF. Highest common factor. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly without leaving a remainder. You all know the meaning of factor. Only write the heading HCF. Highest common factor.
इसकी
Highest
definition लिखनी है.
common factor. Write this.
इसकी definition लिखनी है.
Definition नहीं है बेटा, ये factor की definition. This is not for HCF. Only write heading. All definitions are available in your book. Now, what is HCF? HCF is the greatest number which divides each of the two or more numbers. This is called HCF. Definition is mentioned in your book, or you can also refer afterwards if you want. I just want you people to practice more and more questions here.
Ma'am, do we have to write the definition?
No need to write definition. Just write the questions. Now let's see examples. Here we have given one example. The highest common factor of 60 and 75 is 15, because 15 is the largest number that can divide both 60 and 75 exactly. This is the meaning of HCF. HCF का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर HCF 15 आया है तो इसका मतलब 15 is the maximum number, greatest number which can divide 60 also and which can divide 75 also. Now how can we find HCF? We can find HCF by two methods. First is prime factorization and second is long division. We will learn today both. We are going to learn today both. HCF by prime factorization.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
No. Just understand.
मैम हेडिंग भी नहीं लिखनी.
सिर्फ HCF लिखो और क्वेश्चंस करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. अभी हम ये करेंगे. आप स्टार्ट करो. HCF of 36 and 24. 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 Let's start. What you will do is, you will factorize 36 separately. You will factorize 24 separately. Then we are going to check what are the common factors. Let's see. 24, we factorize 24. We factorize 36. We got this 24 as a product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 36 as a product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to check the highest number. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. We are going to multiply now the common factors. Common factors were 2, 2 and 3. Not 2, this is 3. By mistake it is written 2. Write down 3. Common factors 2, 2, 3. Wait, let me just correct it here only. 2, 2, 3. It will be 2 into 2 into. So HCF will come out 12. HCF will come out 12.
I'm correct.
I'm again showing there was some mistake done. Now, can you all see? Common factors are
ma'am.
2, 2, 3, and the product we got as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is 12. Were you all able to finish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Give me a reply, please.
Ma'am, we have to do this work in rough notebook or the school notebook.
School notebook, no rough notebook. School notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Should we go for next question?
Yes.
Okay, next question is HCF of
Yes,
850.
write school notebook.
Yes, school notebook, fair notebook. 850 and 680. Whatever notebook you started before vacations, in case you did not start in before vacations, you can start with a new copy. You must have bought now. Earlier we told you that you can do in sheets because notebooks were not there with you. Some children were doing in copy, that was fine. ये करेंगे, जल्दी से करेंगे. 850 HCF of 850 and 680. Look here.
में तो हो रखा है.
Look here, 850 will be expressed as 2 into 5 into 5 into 17. Now the numbers are bigger. You may find it little difficult. Numbers are bigger. 680 again. We got 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 17. And when we found common factors were 2, 5 and 17. 2, 5 and 17. And HCF will come out 170. HCF will come out 170. I want everybody to do.
मैम ये पहले से ही हो रखा है.
हाँ जी,
ये पहले से हो रखा है.
पहले से हो रखा है मतलब
मैम स्क्रीन पे वो दिखाया हुआ है पहले.
कभी नोट डाउन करो बेटा, आपकी बात मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही. नोट डाउन करो. आपको पहले खुद करना है, फिर चेक करना है आर यू गेटिंग द सेम आंसर और नॉट.
I'm done.
हु इज आदित्य तलुकदार? Should I remove you?
मैम वो है हमारी क्लास में.
I know he is there. He is not switching on his camera. Ayan, I think I need to remove these children. Otherwise, they will not listen.
नहीं हो रहा.
मैम अयान के नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आती है, उसका वीडियो रुक जाता है.
होता है. होता है, मैं क्या करूँ?
मैम डन.
उससे चार्जर दो.
Please, parents are requested to disturb, not to disturb at the back end. How come children have left in between? I can see 38 children now. 3 are not here. Aradhna, I cannot see you. Aradhna.
Ma'am, yes.
I cannot see you.
Ma'am, but my video is on.
Let me just check again. Maybe you're not in school uniform, huh?
Ma'am, I don't have the school uniform. I need to buy new.
Okay. Have you all noted down this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am need to tell you second method also. By long division. What we do is, we first divide the number, get the remainder. Suppose we get the remainder as 12 here. I divided 42. I had to find HCF of 30 and 42. I divided 42 by 30. I got 1za and I got remainder as 12. Then I am going to take... No, just understand. Then we will copy down 30 as divisor, dividend, and 12 will become divisor. We will divide 12 2s are 24. Then when we subtract it, we get 6. Again divide, take this 12 in the dividend place and divide by 6. We keep on doing till we get remainder as 0. Let us do some questions. Look at this. Look at this. Step 1. I have to find HCF of 150, 210 and 375. Children, write down this. HCF of 150 to 210 and 375 by long division. What we did, सबसे पहले हमने 375 और 150 को divide. We can take any two, but I have taken smallest and the biggest. When I divided, I got 75 as remainder. Then I took this 150 in the dividend place. I got 75 to the 150. So here, these two had the HCF of 75. Now I will start doing it the same with the third number. I'll start dividing third number 210 by 75. 75 to the 150. We got the remainder as 60. Then we took this 75 at dividend place and we divided it by 60. 60 ones are 60. We get 15. Then I took the 60 at dividend place. I divided by 15. 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60 is not 5s are right down here, better 4. Right here 4. 15 fours are 60. And the answer is going to be this number.
1 minute.
Circled number is the answer. Circled number is the answer. So HCF comes out 15. Were you able to note down, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your time.
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
your time. Take your time. Hurry up. Take your time.
Ma'am, done.
मैम आप ये पीपीटी शेयर करोगे?
कर दूंगी share. I'll
Ma'am,
share.
done.
But don't rely that ma'am will share, that we will do. Complete your classwork in classwork only.
Ma'am, can you explain this again?
Yes. Divide 375 by 150. We got 150 to the 300. And I got remainder as 75. Then I took this 150 को हम यहाँ ले गए dividend के place पे और फिर दोबारा divide किया 75 से. We got 0. Now 75 and 210 will be taken. 75 to the 150. I got remainder as 60. Then I took this 75 here. I got 60 ones are 60 and remainder is 15. 15 fours are 60 and this will be 4. And we got this as 0. So HCF, the last number which divided and help us to get 0, this is going to be HCF. This is going to be HCF. I wanted to share one video with you. Hurry up, children. Hurry up.
I'm done.
Wait.
I'm only one example of this method.
You've done 2 questions for HCF. We'll do some more.
Ma'am, no.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, of only
Ma'am, no,
this method.
ma'am,
Long division.
ma'am, yes. Long division method.
Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can you show me the answer of 850 and 680? I want to recheck.
Okay, I'll just check. $850 and
Ma'am, 680.
850 and 600. Yes, the answer is 170. The answer is 170.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the answer.
Ma'am, one more student has left. Method slide, please.
Who is this? Repeat again. Speak loudly, beta.
Ma'am, please show the long division method slide.
Okay. Look at this. We are still left with 6 minutes. I wanted to show you something good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, I have sent the maths holiday homework on Google Classroom. Have you checked it?
I'll check. I wanted to show you something very good. Can you all see a video? Can you see a video?
No.
No.
Okay. Wait. Now you'll be able to see. Yes, are you able to see now?
Yes.
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 Okay. I'll show you. Wait.
Prime factorization by division method. Look at the number 350 and we write 350 in tables like this. Now we need to find the smallest prime number that can divide 350 without leaving any remainder. As 2 is the smallest prime number, so let's divide the number by 2. Here, remainder is 0. This means that 2 divides 350 exactly. So we write divisor 2 here and we write the quotient that is 175.
ये आपको लिखना नहीं है समझने के लिए बेटा understand the
Now
problem.
again, we need
Again.
to find the smallest prime number that can divide by without giving any remainder. Divide 175 exactly. So we write divisor by 2 and we write the quotient that is 35. Prime number that can divide 35 without leaving any remainder. Let us divide it again by 5. Here we see that 5 divides 35 exactly. So we write divisor by here and we write the quotient that is 7 below 35. Prime number that can divide 7 without leaving any remainder. Here we see that 7 divides 7 exactly. So we write divisor 7 here and we write the quotient that is 1 below 7. As 1 is there in the table, so we stop here. Now look at these numbers. These are the prime factors of 350. So we can also represent the prime factorization of 350 as 2 into 5 into 5 into 7.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Wax Free upgrade to roll-on waxing till 5th July. Service company. Download now. Our company salon and home service बिल्कुल से.
Yes. Did you all have? Do you have anybody has any query in factorization now?
No, ma'am.
Are you all? Will you be all able to do factorization questions?
No. Yes,
Okay. Then you
Yes.
will try questions from NCERT.
Yes.
They are not giving homework, but I will post both these PPTs in your Google Classroom. You can refer your work. Whatever is left
Ma'am, do we
out,
have to do any questions from the book?
I'll give your homework tomorrow because days are fixed for homework. I'll send the homework tomorrow. Okay? I'll send the homework tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have the class tomorrow. No, we don't have. Doesn't matter. I'll send the homework tomorrow. We don't have the class now. Tomorrow we have the class now on Saturday. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Till then, practice questions for prime factorization. You can refer your book. Children, now you are grown up. Don't only depend on ma'am. Open your NCERT, open your NCERT exemplar. How many of you have bought exemplar? If you have not bought, link is always shared in Google Classroom. I will share again. You can open the book from internet. That book is really wonderful. That book has got ample number of questions for practice for children.
Ma'am, almost every children have purchased the books.
I know that every year I recommend exemplar is the best book for practice. Okay? Practice questions from exemplar. Don't, now you're grown up. Like in class 5, your teacher was telling you to do this question, you do that. Don't depend like this. Please grow up. Self-study is the most important mode of learning. Okay? अपने आप से मैम ने अगर बोला या नहीं बोला है, अपने आप से क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने हैं आपने.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow not tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have class. On Friday, on Saturday, we will do LCM. We will do LCM, and now from Monday onwards we'll start with a new chapter. So HCM, LCM factorization is being done. Okay, did you all enjoy the class? Were you all able to complete the work? Okay, very good, children. God bless you all. Take care. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.